Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: personal development goal setting. If you're looking to grow, improve and reach new heights in your life, you've come to the right place. By the end of the video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set effective personal development goals that will move you forward. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1. Understanding the importance. Before we start setting personal development goals, let's talk about why they're so important. Personal growth is an ongoing journey, and setting goals gives you direction and purpose. It's like having a roadmap to your best self. By setting clear intentions for your personal development, you can focus your efforts and energy on more important areas. Segment 2. The SMART Framework. Now, let's explore the SMART framework for goal setting. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and timely. When setting personal development goals, it's important to be specific so you know exactly what you're working towards. Make sure they are measurable so you can track your progress. Set achievable and realistic goals, keeping in mind your current abilities and resources. Make sure they are relevant to your overall ambitions, and finally set a clear time frame for each. A framework for achieving the goal. Segment 3. Identifying your growth areas. To set effective personal development goals, you need to identify areas in your life that need growth. Take a moment to reflect on your strengths and weaknesses. Are you looking to improve your communication skills, increase your confidence, or improve your time management? Once you identify these areas, you can begin setting meaningful goals that align with the growth you want. Segment 4. Setting short-term and long-term goals. Personal development goals can be short-term or long-term. Short-term goals focus on immediate improvements, while long-term goals look at the big picture. For example, a short-term goal might be to attend a public speaking workshop. Improve your communication skills. 4. A long-term goal may be to become a more confident and persuasive speaker in the next 2 years. Segment 5. Breaking down your goals. Breaking your goals down into smaller steps makes them more manageable and achievable. Let's say you want to improve your fitness. Start with small goals like walking 30 minutes a day, then gradually increase the intensity. This approach allows you to track your not only does it help progress but prevents subjugation. Segment 6. Monitoring and adjustment. Setting personal development goals is an ongoing process. It's essential to regularly monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate your achievements along the way, and don't be afraid to change your goals if circumstances change. Flexibility is key to staying focused. Track your evolving needs. And adaptation. Segment 7. Accountability and support. Host. Having an accountability system and getting support can greatly enhance your journey. Share your goals with a trusted friend, mentor, or even an online community. Their encouragement and feedback can keep you motivated and provide valuable insight. As we wrap up, remember that setting personal development goals is a powerful tool for self-improvement. It's about taking intentional steps to become the best version of yourself. By following the SMART framework, identifying your growth areas, and breaking down your goals, personal excellence, you'll be well on your way to achieving it. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on personal growth and development. Until next time, keep up the good work. And cut. That's a wrap, folks. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay tuned and keep reaching those personal development goals.